What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can set up Trezor wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. That you just have to come to Google and search for Trezor suite online. So I'm just gonna search for Trezor suite on for web. Now you just have to search for that, and you will be able to see these options. Just click on this Trezor suite for web, and it will open up this website. Now here it will take some time to load. Once it is loaded up, you just have to click on this. As you can see, it wants you to connect you and unlock your Trezor. So what you have to do is you just have to connect your Trezor website or Trezor to your computer. Once you have that, these options will appear looking something like that. Here you just have to click on this setup my Trezor. And after doing that, you will be able to see these options. Here it will want you to install the firmware first. Just click on this install firmware. It will take some time and it will install the firmware. After that, click on continue. After clicking on continue, this is what you will see. Either you want to recover your previous wallet or you want to create a new one, it's up to you. Now, in this case, we can actually click on create new one, and then you just have to, copy this data, whatever they give you. Now, after that, you just have to click on this create backup. It will create a backup for you. Now, you just have to, click on this whatever the backup you want to create, and after that, click on this begin backup, and it will begin and then the backup. Once the backup is done, it will want you to set the pin. Just click on this continue to pin, and then click on this set pin. After clicking on this set pin, you just have to enter a pin and then they will want you to repeat the pin, just repeat it. Now, after repeating it, as you can see, your pin is set up, just click on continue. After clicking on continue, you can active the coins whichever you want and then click on complete setup. There you go. Your setup for Trezor wallet will be completed. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.